Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI.
If you love being in nature but are tied down by your CPAP machine, or you want to be able to charge your electronic devices on the go, then this battery backup by EASYLONGER is a great option. This battery backup is compatible with most CPAP machines. It even comes with all the different cord options. All you do is find the right cord and connect your CPAP. There are different voltage options too, depending on which CPAP machine you have. It's a very powerful but compact battery, which I really like. I also like the durable and comfortable handle. The emergency light is a great bonus feature as well. And I am really happy with how I can charge all my devices at once. I'm kind of extra and I love my neck fan, so I'm grateful that I can charge it and my phone wherever I go. You should always be able to get a good night's sleep wherever you are. This battery backup for your CPAP machine allows you to do that. So if you're looking for a battery backup, one that is top-notch quality and super portable, I definitely recommend this one here from EASYLONGER.
And that's my point of view.